Tom Nelson here with Raymarine Electronics, here to tell you a little bit about the power of the power button. That's right, it's not just a button that turns your unit on, but it lets you access just some really interesting and handy features. Come on over here, stick your face in the Raymarine Axiom Pro, I'll show you what I mean. We have just a basic chart fish finder split, and let's say I want to change the brightness on this screen or do any one of a number of functions. Let's check it out. We hit the power button and we get a sub menu. We can turn off all sounders, we can actually disable the touch lock, or we can access our brightness features. So many times in times of challenged visibility, low light conditions that we experience in the winter, high light conditions we experience in the summer, we definitely want to be able to get to that light very, very quickly. It's a aid to navigation issue, it's a visibility issue, and it's just a convenience issue. Repeated pushes of the power button will cycle through a number of different brightness settings that lets us just take charge of that brightness that much more. If there's something interesting on the screen, if you have a fish finder that's working for you and a great shot, all you have to do is hit the power button again, pop over here, take that screenshot, and guess what? You've got a brand new picture of that screen right there at your display. I'm Tom Nelson of the Raymarine Pro staff. Thanks for swinging by the Raymarine Axiom Pro wheelhouse. We'll see you again, and good luck on the water.